Hi everybody, it's Kathy here, and I'm here with a nice quick video on how to do some scraps to embellishments for Christmas. And today we're looking at musical notes in our embellishments. So today I'm making these baubles, and on them are musical instruments with musical notes, and that's how I'm incorporating the theme for Ginger's Hop into this particular embellishment. So what I have done is I've cut out these baubles on my Cricut, and I ran the gold backing of them through my embossing machine, and that allowed it to add some more detail or a feature to those plain backgrounds of the baubles. And you can see here the French horn has got some poinsettias, and the page here, the one with the musical note, has got the piano keys, and it has got a holly background in the bauble embossing. So I just added those, so they're now all together. And what I'm going to do to just zhuzh it up a little bit, I'm going to add some bows, which I fussy cut out from some Scrapper sketch printables, and I'm adding these to the top of the baubles here at the point of where you would hang them for a tree ornament. And then I'm going to add a little bit of stickles to make them sparkle. So I did cut all of these out of scrap cardstock. I have lots of little pieces of black from a project that I did for school one year, so that lent nicely for all of these little baubles in the black. And the gold is also leftover scrap from another project. So you can see how you can easily adapt what you have on your tables lying around into effective embellishments that you can include into your layouts. So as you can see, I'm adding the gold stickles here, and they add that little bit of Christmas sparkle to these otherwise plain ornaments. But with the gold stickles and some highlighting, they turn into something that is a little bit more special and a little bit more Christmassy, with that little sparkle glow that we all like to see when we see an ornament on a tree. So as I said, this is part of Ginger's Hop for scrap your scraps into embellishments for Christmas, and I am using these on a layout very soon, which you'll get to see if you continue to watch my channel and come back and have a look in a few days' time with this link taking you to that layout. All right, so I've added in some gold onto the bows there just to make them shine a little bit. I'm going to use my white gel pen now just to add some highlights here, and that's going to give the bauble a little 3D effect, and it allows it to stand out just that little bit more with a bit of definition, so that you can see how simple this little embellishment can now look quite effective. And it's just these little tips and tricks that help you with your scrapbook embellishments to take them from flat to a little bit of dimension and a little bit of interest. So I'm hoping that these tips and tricks will help you as you venture in the world of embellishing. Remember, you don't have to spend a great fortune on all the embellishments out there. Use your dies, use your cutting scissors, use some creativity, and you can come up with some amazing embellishments for your layouts. So here you can see this embellishment here. That's the trombone. That's my treble clef and piano, and here I have my French horn with the notes on it. And so that's how I have met the musical notes for day 4 of the 12 days of scrap embellishments for Ginger's Hops. Down below I'll have a link to the playlist with all of the people who have played along with this amazing hop, and you can get some amazing ideas for your layouts as well. Thank you for sticking out and watching this video. I hope something inspired you. Give me a thumbs up if it did. Leave me a comment, I'll get back to you. Happy scrapping, and here's my next video for you.